in the process, we said that we want to create the return document with reference to either a sales order or a billing document, which is the invoice document. This means that we have to use the copy control to make all of this work. So what I want to do is, as you can see here, I have all of the copy controls, but the two copy controls that we should be using is when we copy from sales order to another sales order, or the copy control from a billing document into a sales order. And as you can see here, we have both transactions. What I'm going to do in this demo is I'm going to have a look at the configuration for the billing to sales order copy control. So now let me switch to SAP and let me use the transaction VTAF, which is the billing to sales order copy control, and let's find our entry. So we are using the sales document. The target document is RE, and the invoice document, we use the standard one, which is F2. So if we double click on it, the first thing we see is the source document, which is F2, and the target document, which is RE. And what this means is that we are copying from the invoice document F2 into the sales order document RE. So down here we have all of the routines associated on a header level of the copying process, and there are two main parts of this. The first is the copying requirements. This is basically the rules to allow the copy to happen. So for example, there is a routine that says check if the invoice has been blocked, for example, or if the customer has been blocked, or so forth. This is just a routine to say whether or not we can copy data from one document to another. Next part is the copy routine itself, and it's divided in three parts. The copy routine, as you know, just tells you how to copy, or from which field to copy to which field, and it's driven into three parts. One is information on the header level, general information. Second is more business related information, and third is the partner function copying information. And this is all on the header level. So now let's go into the item level. I'm going to double click here, and I'm going to have a look at the source item category, in this case the standard one, which is TAN. And again, we see it's divided like before. We have the copying requirements here, which lays out the